I just wanted to show you guys this shirt that I got from STYLEWE. I just really love this shirt, and so I'm just showing it off, so hope you like it. Hello ladies, and welcome back to Still Looking Good 58. I am Faith, and by popular demand, I'm going to show you all how I removed the faux scalp from this Bobbi Boss wig, which is Cherie short, or Cherie short, I don't know how to pronounce it. So let's just get right into it. Okay, step one is very simple. All you have to do is find yourself a very sharp pair of scissors and get yourself a seam ripper. Step two, you're going to take your seam ripper and you're going to find that elasticized piece of white thread, and you're going to put your seam ripper tip underneath a piece of that white thread so that you can latch onto it and then rip it or snap it out. Then you'll see that piece come up. See that little white piece right there? Yeah, just keep working on that. Step three. You're going to start pulling it away from the lace, and be very careful when you do this because you don't want to pull too hard and rip the lace underneath. If you're finding that it's difficult to pull it up, then take your seam ripper again and snap that piece off, that piece of thread off, and you're just going to keep doing that until it becomes much easier to pull up. So don't rush this. Step four. Now you're going to pull the thread, and it should actually slide out. It may not, so if it doesn't, keep working, but it should slide right out. Step five. Just pull up that fake scalp and then put your hand between the fake scalp and the good scalp, because the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your sharp scissors and you're going to start cutting that faux scalp off. Now again, be very careful when you do this. Keep your fingers between that faux scalp and the good lace. And of course, the next thing you're going to do is you're just going to, again, be really, really careful, and you're going to start cutting very close to that seam right there that you see, so that you cannot tell that that faux scalp was even in there. It's going to take a little bit, but you just be careful and take your time, because it'll come up and it'll look really nice. You'll notice that it makes a big difference. Yeah, sometimes it's a little difficult to work with, but yeah, just keep at it. And just cut as close to that seam as you can. Yeah, just like that. See? And there you go. There's your clean lace. It looked like there was a piece left there, but it wasn't. So, yep, look. Looks much better underneath there, doesn't it? Okay ladies, that was the removal of the faux scalp, and as I mentioned in the video, it's more specific to this HD scalp illusion wig, or this series, because it has that white plastic thread going through the front of it. Now not all wigs are going to have that. Some wigs are going to have just regular thread, so you're just going to have to be able to look really good. If you can't see well, you should wear some glasses. Magnifying glasses or whatever, so that you can look really closely to make sure you're pulling the right thread. And again, sometimes it pulls out all the way, and sometimes you kind of have to work with it, but it's really the cleanest way to take care of that, using that seam ripper and a very small sharp pair of scissors. So this Cherie wig, I like it. It's a nice length, and it's a light yaki texture. Let me show you the back of it. There she is in the back. And just like the Cherie wig, or maybe not just like it, sort of like the Cherie wig, she's a bit tight. Now she didn't come with the elastic band, but she did come with the adjustable straps. And I didn't do anything to the adjustable straps. I'm wondering if, I'm not even sure if they're connected back there. Because it just feels tight to me. Not real tight, but it could be headache tight after a while if you were trying to wear this all day. And I understand that Bobbi Boss has a tendency to have small head friendly wigs, which is good for all the small head friendly people. But for those of us who have a 22-inch head or bigger, it can be problematic. So just wanted to, again, share that detailed faux scalp removal with you because you guys have been asking for that. And if you are interested in Cherie short, oh, I have her in the color F4 2730. I didn't tell you that. Yes, she's in the color F4 2730. She comes in a variety of colors. But again, I'll put the information down in the description section for you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscription button and that notification bell so that you do not miss any of my uploads. And as I always say, ladies, if you're going to show love to anyone today, please show it to the creator. I'm still looking good, and of course, so are you. See you next time.